Hi, everybody. Today's story is called Seed, Soil, and Sun, Earth's Recipe for Food. It was written by Cris Peterson, and the photographs are by David R. Lundquist. So let's read. A few seeds, a little soil, a ray of sunshine, a splash of rain, a breath of air. This is Earth's recipe for the food that we eat. Nearly all of our food comes from seeds planted in the soil, moistened by the rain and warmed by the sun. Tomatoes, potatoes, peppers, and peas all begin as tiny seeds. Apples, pineapples, melons, and mangoes start with seeds too. In fact, almost all plants on Earth grow from seeds. Each spring, farmers plant millions and millions of seeds in the soil, wait for good rains and warm sunshine, and then watch their fields turn into food for harvest in the fall. Some crops grow into food for people, and some are fed to animals. Then the animals provide us with milk, meat, eggs, and other products. The beginning of a new plant is curled up inside each seed. Moisture from the rain filters down to the buried corn seed, softening its skin and causing it to swell and split open. Part of the seed, the root, grows down into the soil. Another part of the seed, the shoot, reaches for the sun. Soil is another ingredient needed to make food. This tiny layer of our earth is made up of silt, sand, and clay, along with minerals, dead leaves, twigs, and a zillion tiny organisms. Each handful of soil contains more living things than all the human beings on Earth. Microscopic one-celled bacteria that munch away on dead leaves and insects in the soil are so minute that it would take 1,000 of them lined up in a row to reach across the head of a pin. They use the energy stored in the leaves, roots, twigs, and insects, recycling nutrients that feed the corn. The earthy odor of rich soil is bacteria at work. The soil provides a home for the seed, but the seed only has enough energy inside it to push the new seedling out of the soil. Then the sun takes over. Sunlight is a key ingredient in Earth's food recipe. Plants are the only living things that can use the sun's energy to grow. Plant leaves are nature's food factories. Cells within the leaves absorb energy from sunlight, carbon dioxide from the air, and water through the plant's roots. Then these ingredients combine in a chemical reaction that creates sugar for the plant to grow and releases oxygen into the air for people to breathe. The way plants turn sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide into sugar is called photosynthesis. And plants are really good at it. In fact, when they make energy, they make more than they need. They store the extra energy in their leaves, stems, flowers, fruits, roots, and seeds, our food from plants. Doesn't all that look delicious? When you eat lettuce, you are eating a leaf. When you eat celery, you are eating a stem. When you eat broccoli, you are eating flower buds. When you eat apples or tomatoes, you are eating fruits. When you eat carrots, you are eating roots. When you eat sweet corn, you are eating seeds. And when you drink milk from a cow, you are drinking a food made when the cow eats plants like grass, corn, and soybeans. All these foods begin as seeds. The seed starts the plant. The soil feeds the plant. The sun, the air, and the rain combine to grow the plant into food. And as they grow, all of Earth's plants produce oxygen for us to breathe. When the plants are harvested, they provide food for the world and new seeds to begin the cycle once again. And that is the end of our story, Seed, Soil, and Sun. And I hope we all get a chance to get out in the nice weather here in the next couple of weeks and put some of our own seeds into soil so that we can start growing flowers and food. See you tomorrow.